Want to create a new Apple ID? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a new Apple account step by step using your iPhone or any browser. First, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top. Here, you'll see your current Apple ID and the email address linked to it. Keep in mind, you need a different email address to create a new Apple ID because one email can only be used for one Apple account. Now, open any browser like Safari or Chrome and go to appleid.apple.com. On the page, if it asks you to sign in, don't log in. Instead, look for the option that says Create Your Apple ID. Tap on it and start filling in your details like your first name, last name, country, date of birth, email address, password, and phone number. You'll also need to complete a verification code shown on the screen, so just enter it carefully. Once everything is filled out, tap Continue, and your Apple ID will be created successfully. Now, if you want to use this new Apple ID on your iPhone, go back to Settings, tap your current Apple ID, and select Sign Out. Then simply sign in using the new Apple ID you just created. And that's how you can create a new Apple ID and set it up on your iPhone easily. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Apple tips, setup guides, and how-to tutorials.